Everything about content creation is now so easy, like super easy. You no longer have to worry about the kind of background you have. You don't have a fancy background and you want to have a fancy background. You can literally use any background of your choice. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use a fake background for your video. You want to have a beautiful background. You understand what I'm trying to say? Okay, so follow me. I don't want to waste time in this video. Just follow me. I'm going to teach you step by step how you can have a beautiful and amazing background for your video. Now, for you to have an amazing background for your video, now the first thing is to first of all get an image you want to place on your background. For you to get your background image, you can use ChatGPT. So I'm just going to go to ChatGPT. Okay, and then I will say I want to create a fake background for my YouTube video. Help me create a beautiful studio background in 16:9 aspect ratio. Now remember, when you're using ChatGPT, you can actually create 5 images every day free of charge. 5 images every day free of charge in ChatGPT. Okay, so you can send it like this. Just send it and let's see what we're going to have. Now it has given me a prompt. I'm just going to copy. You can tell it to create it for you or it will give you a prompt. Okay, I'll just copy. Okay, click. Now as you copy it, the prompt, paste it here. Still paste it in ChatGPT and then come down and say create it for me. And say create it for me and send. So you can see it is creating it already. We're just going to wait for the outcome. Okay, you can see it has just created one for me. Okay, I'm just going to long press it and then I'll click on save. Okay, I'll click on save. You can see, and it has a space where I'm going to, stand, or I'm going to stay. So now that you've gotten your image, let's go to CapCut. You're going to be using CapCut to achieve this. So I'll go to CapCut. Once you come to CapCut, this is your interface in CapCut. Click on new image. Click on new image. Okay. Click on your photos and then select it. Select it. Now that you've selected it, ensure you drag the image to the length of your video. Let's assume the video you want to use this fake background on is up to 10 minutes. You have to drag this thing till it gets to 10 minutes. You can see this is 17 seconds. Just drag it till it gets to that 10 minutes. Let me go to my gallery and see any video I want to use. Let me see the minute of the video I want to use. Okay, let me see. So this video, I can actually change the background of this video. You can see this video here. How to get 4,000 watch hours in 48 hours. And that video right now has given me up to 600 watch hours and over 200 subscribers. I'm going to go to my screen right now. And now this video, you can see this video. You can see this is my normal YouTube studio background. This one is not a fake background though. So this is my normal studio background. Okay, I can use this video right now, change the background of this video. I can change the background of this video to that background that we've just gotten. Okay, now, and this one is 11. This one is actually very long. It is 19 minutes. I may not use this one. I'll go and use another one. And also consider that when you are creating a fake background, ensure that when you are making your video, you are standing one place. Okay, don't be moving your hand from one place to another. Like, ensure you stand one place in the middle. Okay, because if you don't stand in one place and you apply your background, it is going to be shaking. Okay, I'm going to play this video now so you can see how I am staying one place, that I can even use this one. I can even change the background of this one. Let me play it. Show you how that video performed. And after showing you, I'm going to give you a breakdown of how that video was made, every strategy I applied on that video that made. So you can see, even though my hands were moving, I was still gesticulating with my hand, but then I was still in the same position. Okay, that is what you should consider when you're creating a background image. Okay, let me look for a shorter video. I'm going to look for a shorter video. Okay, now I have a video here. This video here is 8 minutes. Let me see if I stayed in one place. He's telling me about YouTube monetization. Everybody is shouting 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. Go viral, blow up, apply these strategies, apply this trick. It worked, but they are not telling you the whole truth, especially the most important truth. Even if you hit all these requirements and you do not have the main document. Okay, I think I stayed in one place in that video, so let's go back. That video is actually 8 minutes. I'm just going to drag this thing so that it will be up to 8 minutes. Okay, drag it to be up to 8 minutes. Okay, remaining small. Okay, so this is 8 minutes. Okay, now that I've done this, all you need to do is to look for overlay. Now, look for overlay. Now, click on overlay. Click on add overlay. Once you click on add overlay, then we'll now select our main video that we want to add to the background. Let's look for that video we want to add to the background. So this is the video here. Just click on add. Now I have imported the video. You can see I've imported the video. You can see it is the background. We need to remove the background of this. Okay, for you to remove the background, look for remove BG. Just look for remove BG. So this is remove BG. Then click on auto removal. You can see my background has been removed. Then all you need to do is to just position this, position it to this place. Okay, position it here. Okay, resize it very well, and then position it very well. So let's play it and see. There is something nobody is telling you about YouTube monetization. Everybody is shouting 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. Go viral, blow up, apply these strategies, apply this trick. It worked, but they are not telling you the whole truth, especially the most important truth. Even if you hit all these requirements and you do not have the main documents that YouTube needs for you to receive this money, you are not going to see anything. Your money will just be sitting there. So what is not the reason for making videos, getting paid, and yet the money is not in your bank account? That alone is going to confuse you, make your morale to reduce. This video is for everyone, for small channels, for people that have gotten 1,000 subscribers. So guys, you can see, you see all those places that I was disappearing. Those are actually places that I included. I've edited this video already. This is not a raw footage. I've edited this video already before using it. That is why those places that was disappearing is where I applied animation. So I'm not supposed to show there. So before you even edit your video, ensure you use a video you've not edited. Ensure you apply your fake background before you start editing it. and you can see this video is still shaking. I did not really stand at a standstill. That is why you can still see that it is shaking somehow. For people that are waiting to apply for monetization, this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to be revealing all the relevant documents you need to apply for YouTube monetization. The documents that YouTube is going to accept, because it is not okay. Now, another thing you should also consider is when you are selecting a background, select a background that is simple, not something that has too much thing running around it. Okay, so you can literally do this. Ensure you are staying in one place. Ensure you stay one place while you are doing this video. Okay, this is literally how you can create your fake background. If you enjoyed this video, do also like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.